Sanibona bafethu uvane. So it's official. After more than 10 years uAdidas ungekho with Bafana Bafana. After more than 10 years, even 12 years. Bafana Bafana ikwazile ukuthi qualify for i-2026 World Cup. Bebe qualifyile nje bafethu idecide ukuthi i-partnership yabo with uLacroix iphele ngoDecember. Izophela ngoDecember i-partnership yabo. To be honest, I don't know how to feel. Yabo, I don't know how to feel ngale decision ethathwe iBafana Bafana. I know ukuthi vele bizophela i-contract yabo. Yabo, vele bizophela. But uma subheke uLacroix bafethu wasithatha fethu siyiBafana Bafana kunzima bafethu. iNike isiyekelile. iNike ayifunanga nje nayo ukuthi renew i-contract with iBafana Bafana. Yangafuna ukuthi i-renew i-contract because izinto zaseyibheda ngempela izinto. Yafika iLacroix bafethu yasho ukuthi hayi singayithatha iBafana Bafana singakwazi siyixhase. Even though ke sixhaseni kwayo ayisikhiphelanga amajezi amahle athini. Ijezi layo mina for me ijezi engalithanda elalikhishwe iLacroix elimhlophe leBafana Bafana. You see that plain white jersey eBafana Bafana, it was kukhona elinye lesithathu. Lelinye lesithathu angazi indaba bengadlalanga ngalo, yabo. Leli lalifana ne-retro jersey kanje. I don't know why bengadlalanga ngalo, but nalo laliyintswembu mfethu, yabo. But ke namhlanje sivuke kuyindaba ezimnandi ukuthi iBafana Bafana ipostile lapha ka Twitter ithi isibuyelile with uAdidas. Indaba ezimnandi lezi ngoba iAdidas isona sponsor vele iBafana Bafana ekade yaqala ukuba naso since way back ngama-90s. Since way back yagcina nje iphele i-contract esesithathwa uPuma, wasuka nawo uPuma sathatha uNike, sasesiswa kuNike ke sesiza kuLacroix, sesibuyele kuAdidas. Izinto ke mezihamba kahle, i-team uma uyenza kahle uyawabona ama-sponsors ebuya back. I spoke about this last year ukuthi i-team uma yenza kahle noma yiphi nje i-club, ama-club akhona kwi-Betway Premiership, uma enza kahle uzowabona ama-sponsors ezongqongqoza kulowo ma-clubs. Baningi kade bespeculate ukuthi i-Adidas ngenzeka ingayithatha iBafana Bafana, yabo, because bekhona amanye ama-brands abefuna ukuyithatha le contract le ukuthi ibe official partner yeBafana Bafana njengoba bezoya le kwi-World Cup. Yabo, ubikhona iMacron ke enye yama-brands ekhona eyayixhasa iSkokhona United. Ifanele ikhumbule iMacron ibingenye yama-brands ebikhona kumncintiswano yokuthi ba-challenge kwase kwinayo nake iAdidas. I think imali ikhulumile la kwi-Adidas and futhi ne-history behind ukusponsorisha iBafana Bafana iyona ekhulumile. Ke ngazi ke noma mhlawumbe bazolakha ijezi elisha for i-AFCON noma mhlawumbe I don't think kodwa bazolakha for i-AFCON because i-contract izophela ngoDecember with iLacroix. I think ijezi lizophuma ngoJanuary. Yeah, I think ijezi lizophuma ngoJanuary. Amajezi amahle azophuma ngoJanuary. And engingakusho lamajezi masephuma azoba sold out. Lamajezi masephuma azoba sold out. Nyawubona uAdidas wenze njani with iOrlando Pirates. Yabo, wakha amajezi amahle with iOrlando Pirates. So maseliphuma nje lelo jezi kuzo maningi ama-club akhona vela sponsorishe uAdidas kuma countries angaphandle. I think nayo khona oGermany, kube khona oArgentina. Bafana Bafana nayo singenile kuleyo mkhakha weAdidas globally.